The Constellation. Bataan's inaugural flight, the Lockheed C-121A Constellation N422NA, CN2605, made its first flight on June 21, 2023, 8 years after it had been restored. The nickname Bataan for the Connie comes from when General Douglas MacArthur used it as a VC-121A personal transport while flying it as USAF 48, 613. When he was the supreme commander of the Allied powers during the Korean War, he flew the Bataan. Lewis Air Legends of San Antonio, Texas hired fighter rebuilders in Chino, California to restore their aircraft. Rod Lewis, the proprietor, took ownership in April 2015. With the intention of entering the Connie into the Warbird circuit, he purchased the aircraft from the Planes of Fame, POF, Air Museum in Chino, California. N422NA was flown to Chino in January 2016 from the POF storage in Valle, AZ, following a temporary repair. The actual restoration work was then started. The C-121A was assigned to the USAF in January 1949 and joined the other 4-engine transports participating in the Berlin airlift as USAF 48, 613. As was previously mentioned, the conversion to VC-121A happened in 1950. Up until 1965, when it was retired from service, it was used as a VIP aircraft, but not for long, as it was used in the Apollo space program until 1969 as NASA N422NA. The aircraft was then transported to the U.S. Army Aviation Museum at Fort Rucker, but it was immediately apparent that it did not belong there. Thus, in May 1993, N422NA Bataan was sold to the Planes of Fame Museum. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.